demonstration of the 5-ton E-Jack here that I modified to accept the DeWalt type of batteries. As you can see, the numbers here that you see is basically so I can keep a note of how many complete lift and lowering. All right, so a lot of labels on here is really for my kids. Somebody didn't know what type of battery that this accept. And all this navigator, we're just gonna put that on. Hold on. Turn it around. And you can see I actually already have it on. Put it for wireless. Down is for wired. So I have a plug that I can put in and put out. Just here. It's the original light. It's the light I added at the top so I can see where the jack is gonna go. Right here, it's good to raise and lower it 2 times when you're doing it. All the way up and all the way down is what I'm gonna do. And I'll come back once it's raised. It's all the way at the top. Then I'm going to lower it all the way down. And this will be the second time that I actually did it. Recommendation is to raise it up all the way down, raise it up all the way down. And I'll tell you later why. Also did was I just printed out a piece of paper just so I can keep up with how many times before it actually fails. Hopefully it never fails. But each time I raise and lower a vehicle with weight, I will mark off one. As you can see, this will be the first time doing the linking here. Now, what I use, I'm about to put it in the front end of the linking here, this is what I put on mine. It's in between the frame. And then if it's any space, then I will twist and raise it. But now, I'll keep it down. So you see I am up under the car now. Now, I'm hoping that it's not too high where I'm trying to load it up to. So, perfect. So, in 1 second. Had to get my, hold on here. And because it's going to be a little bit on this part, so it's not going to be evenly flat. So hold on 1 second. I'm back. I just had to roll it up a little bit. You can see the difference between the light on and off, right? All right, so let's start. I'm gonna back out while it lifts up a little bit. You can see the tires is off the ground here. I want it a little higher. Well, let me just check over here. Try not, I should be able to get that tire off. So I'll pause it again and I'm gonna go ahead and get my jack stand set up under here. Be back shortly. I'm wanting to take it up higher. All right, down till it hits on both the front jack stand. See the other one over there. See. I have to bring it all the way down. And it's with a 20-volt system. If anybody's unaware of what the DeWalt tools and the, I guess, next here. So I'm back, and I just got my little highlighter here, and I'm going to just, for my own personal record, that was one complete raise and lowering. You can see it was at 20 volts, fully charged, just to see how much it has dropped. So I'm at 19.97 for that first raise with this 9 amp hour replaced up under the truck in the back. We'll be back. All right, let's continue. I'm back. I'm going to put it on this cross beam right here. There we go. I guess here, let me cut the light off the E-jack itself. Oh, just put the battery. Let me cut it on here. There we go. All right, y'all, I'm back. Got it placed in right, and let's get it right. I can stand on the outside here and watch the garage space I got. Stands now. Guess I don't need the light on, but we'll keep it on. Let me get over here so I can. And we're gonna bring it on down. Of course, I gotta twist it down here. Give me a second here. We're gonna actually 2 times. Here, just you'll be able to see it still. All right, so we're at 19.65. Had them for about 15. Got it back on. And I got it lifted all the way up. Twist it up, should I say. All right, let's light on. The actual jack head. All right, up a little bit. We'll be back. All right, we're gonna push this baby on the other side, and I'll meet it. Let's see, I think it's gonna make it. All right, perfect. See you in a second. Hey, y'all, we moving back on this other side. And now we can get done with. So we at 19.25 volts after 2 complete lift, and then I had to lift it a little bit, lower it, lift it a little bit, lower it to get these jacks.
It's all visible when it's coming back down. Okay, so now it's stuck. Oh, there we go. Now it's coming down. Now it's coming down. So it's kind of touch and go when it's going to do it and when it's not going to do it. But it doesn't take much to get it unstuck, so just have to know that. I'm wondering if it has something to do with the lubrication. Because like I work with pallet sets, like all the times really work really. But some of them function differently depending on the lubrication of the tubes.
You're good.
Säg det Exxon jag was become. Säg. Och säg det Exxon jag bästa.